Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding what friendship outcome matters most. Pick one and write it at the top of the page. Once done, schedule a 15-30-minute daily slot and time box entries because consistency builds momentum. Make sure to carry a small notebook or a phone note titled Friends Journal so you capture moments immediately. Then write your first concrete action for today. Reach out to one person or attend one event. This starts the feedback loop you'll iterate. You now focus on tracking specifics. After each interaction, jot date, setting, mood, and one clear takeaway so patterns emerge. Once recorded, rate the connection on a 1-5 scale and add one follow-up action, because planned next steps turn chance into relationship. Make sure to also note topics that sparked energy and any shared values. This tells you where to invest time. As you collect entries, compare weeks to see who moves toward closer friendship and why. You finish each week by reviewing entries and choosing one behavior to adjust, plus scheduling one concrete next step for your top 2 contacts. This keeps momentum. If someone doesn't respond, try a different channel or lower the ask to a smaller favor. This reduces friction. Make sure to celebrate micro wins and move genuinely stalled contacts to an archive for future recheck instead of forcing interaction. This turns the journal into a practical playbook for steady friendship growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.